We have always felt close to water. On the banks of the Urola, where Ignatius of Loyola was born. At the Nervion River. Beside the Urumea. Water links us to Jesuit universities across the world. 1886, Bilbao was a hive of activity. The University of Deusto was founded. That past has become today's Industry 4.0, with innovation and a model of inclusive development which is open to the world. At Deusto, we have been training excellent professionals for over 130 years, providing them with a solid background in competences, an education that focuses on strengthening students' innovative, creative, and entrepreneurial skills. Lifelong education and training. An education based on values. As Father Arrupe said, train the brightest to serve better. Free people with strong principles, a sense of social responsibility, people committed to achieving a fairer, more human and sustainable world. The world is undergoing constant change. Today's demands question and challenge us. We are not indifferent to inequality, human rights, justice, interreligious dialogue, peace, and reconciliation. We conduct research to transform society. Cooperation is key between people, teams, and disciplines, between university and industry, academia and society, the public and private sectors. Cooperation between generations, between equals and those who are different. That is Deusto, a local and global university with roots here in our land, its sights set on the horizon and its heart open to the world. The future will be a long voyage on seas that may be unpredictable. We are facing many challenges and also many opportunities. We will meet these challenges better if we are united. At Loyola, we are setting out on a new journey. We share a route and a mission. Transforming our world together.